Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix Microsoft error, check your connection. When you launch your Microsoft Store, this error message is displayed on your Microsoft Store application. So how to fix it, we will know that step by step in this video. So guys, you notice that our internet is working here, but when we launch the Microsoft Store, check your connection message is displayed here. So how to fix it? So let's start the video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the videos. So guys, first method is click here start button, right click on it and click here run option, and type here control, and after that click here OK, and after that guys, click here Windows Defender, large icon select here and click here Windows Defender, and after that guys turn on Windows Defender and turn off it. This checkbox should be checked here. Click on OK, and after that click here back button, and after that guys click here date and time option. Okay, and set your date or Windows date time properly here. Click here change time zone, select time zone according your country and click here OK, and after that guys click here internet time, change settings and check this checkbox and click here update now button, and after that guys click here OK and click here OK button. Okay, your daytime should be properly here. After that guys, we are going for next method. If this is not working, right click on start button and after that click here search option and type here services.msc and click here run as administrator, and after that guys check some service here, Windows update. This service should be running here. Restart it. This service should be running here. Right click on it and click here properties. After that select here automatic under startup type and click here apply and then click here OK button. Okay, click here restart button. Restart this service, and after that guys find here Microsoft Store install service. Okay, this service. Right click on it and click here properties, and after that select here startup type automatic and apply and then click on OK and restart this service. After that guys find here background intelligent transfer service. Okay, right click on it and click here start button. This service would be running here. Restart it again. Close this window, and after that guys click here start button and after that click here setting option and click here apps option, and find in this list apps feature and find here Microsoft Store. Type here Microsoft Store. If this is not working, manually find this Microsoft Store. Scroll down and you can check here Microsoft Store is available here. Click here advanced option, and after that guys scroll down and click here reset, repair and terminate. Okay, first click here terminate and after that click here repair, and after that guys click here reset. Okay. After that guys, close this window. Now click here taskbar and click here task manager and click here file option and click here run new task and type here wsreset.exe. Check this checkbox exe and click here OK button. You can see here Microsoft Store launched automatically and no error message is displayed here. Okay, so guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.